ready to go on this side. You know what that means, drivers. Hands off the controllers. Match 4 begins in 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go, run away, 84-17, the Chuck machine, shooting 3 up close. 1, 2, 3, they all go in. Red Alliance meanwhile, 14-4-69, that's the Howe machine, shooting from downtown. 1, 2, they all go in. 21-3-33, they shoot 3 up top, that all goes in as they line themselves up to grab 3 more artifacts and do the same again. 23-400, grabbing 2 more as they line themselves up. 1, 2, 3, all of them going in from downtown in the far launch zone. Chuck, 3 of them bounce out, unfortunately, but 1 more goes in from 23-400 to cover the slack on blue. Red Alliance with another 1 up top.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
It's close out of autonomous, 62-51 in favor of red. Scores will keep climbing as they're being tabulated and tribulated.
2, 1.
Red Alliance with a 7-point lead out of autonomous. We will see if it holds. Here comes 23-400 lining up that turret. 1, 2, 3. 1 of them goes in. 44-69, the Howe machine alongside their alliance partners with an 18-point swing. Chuck from close by shoots 2 up top. 23-400 trying to bully out 44-69 Howe as they continue to line up and shoot. Bang! Big hit on the far side, knocking Howe off the line. Classifier is open by 84-17 as 23-400 continuing to grab from their human player station. 21-3-33 poaching from the blue line side as well as Chuck drains 3 more shots. And their alliance partners, U-Force, doing the same from Dubai. 21-3-33 being defended by 84-17 as they try to get themselves bumped off the line. 84-17 opening up that classifier. Shots going right at me. 14-4-69 Howe lining themselves up 1, 2, 3 going up and in on that machine. Red Alliance starting to pull away 152-119, but Blue Alliance is starting to claw their way back with a few shots going in. Chuck being heavily defended, but they're able to still get a couple in. Far machine from Dubai, U-Force with another 3 up top. 1, 2, 3 going in from U-Force once again as classifier is open. 21-3-33, Red Alliance side grabbing 3 artifacts as their classifier is open as well. Houch struggling to line up and shoot, but they're able to get it off. Big scrum in the middle of the field as U-Force is motionless. Red Alliance will need to pick up the Blue Alliance need to pick up the slack, but can the Chuck machine do it? Is there enough time? Howe with only a 4-point swing as the classifier was not open, but now it is free. U-Force trying to get themselves back to life. Are they able to? Looks like possibly not, but Howe continues to widen the gap for the Red Alliance. Endgame buzzer sounds. Red Alliance with a 70-point lead. 84-17 continuing to shoot up top for the Blue Alliance despite the big enough gap. Being down a robot, is there enough time for them to come back? 14-4-69 trying to line themselves up. They are in the parking zone, trying to get a full park and a partial. Can they do it? 84-17, they have a full park, and that will do it. Number 4 going up on the board. The Red Alliance, your number 3 seed, will take the victory. With a score of 3-12-2-11, your Red Alliance will move on to playoff match number 8. The Blue Alliance will fall down to play match number 6.